What's the meaning of bound form? Bound form. Bound form.
Bound form. Bound form. The term bound form refers to a linguistic concept where a word cannot stand alone and must be joined with another word to create meaning. For example, the suffix ly is a bound form because it cannot function as a standalone word without a base word before it. In contrast, happy is a free form because it can exist on its own without a suffix or prefix. Understanding bound forms is crucial in language acquisition and analysis, as it can help identify root words and their transformations. Overall, bound forms are essential elements in language construction and contribute to the richness and complexity of human communication.